Hey, what up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about time machine hover mode from Back to the Future. Let us unbox this and start our review. So we're going to use a pen knife. This is how I unbox it to get to keep the card in a mint condition. Well, you guys can do the same. Let us unbox it using this pen knife. Kids, don't try this at home. Let me. This is how you do it to keep the card in a mint condition if you like to collect this card. Yep. And here we have the Back to the Future time machine hover mode. I can see here there's a bit of error. The wheels are not balanced here. Yep, it's not even rolling. Let me see. It's rolling just fine. But still, I don't know how this hoverboard will do on the tracks. Well, I have a piece of track here. Let us try it out. Oh, it won't fit on the track. Yep, nope. It won't fit on the track. Look. So I don't think so. This is good for tracks. Because look at the wheels are coming off. It's going on the side. Look. So, nope. It's a fail for some track time race here. Yeah. Plastic base, metal body. This is even plastic. Well, I don't understand why they didn't paint Mr. Fusion in white behind here. This is from the Back to the Future in the second movie. Yeah, one of my all-time favorite movies. Is this considered an error? Please, you guys, please comment down below. I don't know if this is an error. The wheels are not rolling. Yeah, I can push it out there. Yep. If you guys can see inside here, no. You got a time machine device here. You guys can see inside here, no, nothing. So overall, it's a good, nice casting. So basically, it's the hoverboard that it could fly in Back to the Future, the second movie, the second series here. You can use studios and U drive. This is DMC DeLorean. We have done a review on the DMC DeLorean, the red color. It's a normal casting product from DMC. Yes, nice, good design here. There's a blue tape here. All the wires are connected. You can see the back part. Nice tempo. And what can we see here behind? Can't really read this. Nice back light tempos. We got a bit of front light tempos with the DMC logo up in front here. Yep. There it is. This is the hoverboard. The time machine hoverboard. So if you guys wants to keep it minted card in a good condition, you can use a piece of cutter and slice it open. For kids, don't try this at home. You need a guidance for you need an adult to guide you. I'll keep the card, but this won't go good. This, I think, is just for a display, not good for doesn't go on the track, so that's kind of disappointing. And the wheels here, does this, I can't manage to get it out. So yeah, the back tire is not even. That's why it has this, it's not even. So it has this loose end here, but it rolls pretty well. But it has this kind of loose end of this shakiness when it rolls, if you guys can see. as this. I think this is merely for display and not, it can't fit on the track, so I'm gonna keep this on my display. So there it is. Right, where is my hover board here? Let us display this. Back to the Future. There it is, the review on Time Machine hover mode of Back to the Future, the second series. Stay tuned for my next review or track race showdown in the near future. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on what you think about this 2015 DMC Delaron Time Machine hover mode casting. See you in my next video. Bye bye.